What if AI could create your content for you and people paid you every single month for access to it? Let's explore how to build a subscription business using AI-generated content. Welcome back to Purposefully AI. We're diving into recurring income through subscriptions, powered by AI. This model helps creators build predictable monthly revenue instead of chasing one-off sales. Here's the truth most people miss. One-time sales pay once, but subscriptions pay again and again. Combine that with AI, and you remove the biggest bottleneck in online business: constant content creation. AI removes the need for constant content creation, allowing you to focus on growth and strategy rather than the day-to-day grind. Here's a simple example. $10 per month times 100 people equals $1,000 per month. Same content, same system, no extra work. That's why AI-powered subscriptions scale so well. So what kind of content will people actually pay for every month? Here are AI-friendly subscription ideas that already work. The rule is simple. If the problem comes back every month, it's subscription-worthy. People don't subscribe to content. They subscribe to relief. Great subscription examples include prompt libraries for specific niches, weekly AI-written newsletters, social media caption packs, or curated summaries of tools, trends, or news. This is where AI becomes your unfair advantage. Let's look at how to create AI content in batches. Start by asking an AI like ChatGPT to create a weekly content outline for your niche. Then, generate the content and lightly edit it for clarity and tone. You can batch an entire month of content in under an hour. If you want visuals, AI handles that too. Tools like Canva AI can generate graphics, and Notion AI can structure templates. You're not replacing yourself. You're multiplying yourself. Now let's talk about delivery and pricing. You don't need complicated tech to start. Beginner-friendly platforms like Gumroad, Substack, Behave, Patreon, or Lemon Squeezy handle payments, access, and renewals. Your only job is delivering value, not managing systems. For pricing, start simple. $5 to $9 per month works well for broad audiences, while $15 to $25 per month suits niche or business audiences. Momentum matters more than perfection. 100 people paying $10 per month can completely change your situation. You can always raise prices later. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. AI helps you stay ahead, and your system protects your time and energy. One small improvement per month beats burning out. Start with one niche, one recurring problem, and one monthly deliverable. A subscription business with AI is about building leverage, not doing more work. This is how real businesses are built, using the power of AI-generated content. If you want help choosing your first AI subscription idea, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. It walks you through your first monetizable AI workflow step by step. Subscribe for daily videos showing you how to turn AI into income. Purposefully AI. Simple systems, real income.